Advanced Inventory Manager, or AIM, is an easy-to-use tool built to solve the problems of modern supply chain management. AIM helps you maintain a far healthier cash position for your firm by effortlessly matching your buying strategy to the actual needs of your business. And it puts an end to all those long hours calculating lead times and rate of sale in unreliable spreadsheets. It does that by surfacing your firm's own data to find an optimal stock position for every different part, product, or ingredient in your portfolio. AIM puts you back in control, helping you maximize profits, spot problems before they arise, and improve cash flow in the face of disruption and change. Forecast demand, plan your purchasing, streamline stock, and much more with the all-new Advanced Inventory Manager from Unleashed.